Hello, welcome to Dove in Head First. My name is Lucy, and in this video I will make a stuffable travel neck pillow. So these are the stuff I will need to make my stuffable travel pillow. So I have that. It's doubled because I want it to be thick, and the length over here is 20, and the length across is 37. So I'm also gonna need the two of these to close it up, and I will need these. I've cut two of these, and it just depends with the size of your opening over here. So I'm gonna sew it, and it's gonna go there to cover. And then because I don't want to use a zipper, I find it hard using zippers, I have a velcro. So I have a double velcro that I'll be using to close it up. So first of all, because this is so I'm gonna go sew these and turn it around, sew it all the way, and then turn it around for the sides, and then I'm gonna join these. Remember, this is just, it's double, and I'm gonna join it all the way around because I want it to be, what is it called? I want it to be like white hardcore, because I'm going to use this to pack my clothes when I'm traveling. Since I doubled the fabric, I'm going to sew it all the way around, then turn it inside out to make the lines look clean. Okay, so this is done. I've already turned this around, and remember, this is the one that I'm going to use to hold it up so I can tie it around my neck. Sweet. So this one is already done inside out. I just need to turn it around. Okay, so that's all done. All the turned around. I don't necessarily need to close this part, do I? I'm gonna go back and close this part in the sewing machine. So what I've done now is I've gone ahead and folded it into half. This will be the opening. I think I might need to move it to a little bit to the middle part as opposed to where it is. So just do that and move it like that. I think I like it there, a little bit on to the other side, the whole thing. So what I've done is I'm going to sew it. Let me just move it and show you. I'm going to sew here and there, and then turn it around so that the Velcro will be here. So that's why I have folded the shorter part inwards. So again, I'm measuring it, and I want it to be 9 inches long. So that's 9. Okay, the movement might have spoiled it a little bit. So 9. This 9 on this side, it's 9. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, because I want it to be, I want it to be a little bit curved. So I'm just using these to draw the curve where I'm gonna sew. Yeah, I might move. I think I need to move it a little bit because so that's where I'm going to sew. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, is it the inner one? I don't want it to be very, there. So I have these. That's gonna go on both sides. So I'm gonna take one of them and put it there, and then I'm gonna hold it down over here with a pin. And drawn on this side, so I'm just doing this to see where my closure will go. So it's gonna be here. Again, it does not necessarily have to be straight. I think it will be though. So that is done. I triple stitched this place. This needs to go back. So I triple stitched the part that's holding the closure thing. So let's turn it around and see what we are working with. So there we go. I somehow wish I would have made it more circular, but that's okay. To put the velcro on, to sew in the velcro. So I have my 2 pieces of velcro. Okay, there we go. I think this one goes to the bottom and this one goes to the top. So I'm gonna do that sewing, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this place just a little bit to here. Then I can sew it, then close the other bit, and then I'll add the velcro and then come and show you the end product. All done. So I sewed 10 inches over here. I'm gonna iron it 10 inches. And another 10 inches on this side, and then added the velcro, double stitched it on both sides. So this is how it's gonna, so I'm gonna stuff the clothes in there, so I thought to just leave a very small space for the velcro. So here we go, closed, done. So the next video I'll be packing with you to see how much it can hold. Basically, I'm hoping I can hold stuff worth 5 days, because what I did is I did not pay for bag, I just paid for a purse. So this should be enough to carry 5 days worth of stuff. Just stuff them inside, roll them like a donut, like Marie Kondo style, stuff them in, and then I'm done. So I want to wash it. I think I'm gonna hand wash it so that I do not spoil the velcro, and then the next video will be me packing. But the gold detail against the blue is epic. So this is what I need for the 5 days of stay during my travel. I'm normally an overpacker. So I went ahead and folded them and categorized them by size. Now I'm just shoving them in and pushing them to fit, as you can see. So I started by the sides and then the middle. Full disclosure, this pillow was very heavy, but it's not necessarily meant to be a neck pillow. It's meant to be a travel hack for when you haven't bought a luggage allowance. I even added more because I had that much space. If you have stayed this long, thank you ever so much for watching. Kindly consider subscribing, and until next time for more hacks, God bless. Bye-bye.